Now, like we've been telling you viewers, it's been more days since the Pahalgam terror attack. Why are 12 days or why is the number 12 so significant? Because if you remember, exactly 12 days after 40 braves were martyred in Pulwama, our IAF jets bombed Jaish terror training camps in Balakot. So, when will Pahalgam be avenged? That's the question. Clearly, the clock is ticking for Pakistan. And now Pakistan is petrified, it's spooked. You would expect that this is time for national unity. Leaders cutting across party lines should stand shoulder to shoulder with the government when it is vowing to avenge what happened in Pahalgam. But the Saboot gang and the narrative just does not end. In the latest, you have Ajay Rai, the leader of Congress from Uttar Pradesh, who has, mocked the might of our forces. What has he done? Let's take you through some remarks made by Ajay Rai. Let's take you through the latest. We will tell you about what Ajay Rai has done. Let's take you through the details. Yesterday, he sat with a toy and he wrote Rafale on it. There was a Nimbu Mirchi attached with it where he tried to mock the might of our forces while also cocking a snook at the government. And Ajay Rai went on to say, did we bring Rafales only to ensure they have that they have Nimbu Mirchi on it? These were the comments that were made by Ajay Rai. Now let's take you through all the kind of comments that have been made by leaders of the opposition. This is what Ajay Rai did. This is the kind of imagery that came out yesterday, shocking to say the least. He was holding up a toy, a plane. On it, what was written on it. Take a look very clearly. Rafale was written on it. This is at a time when you're seeing how the IF chief also met the Prime Minister yesterday, and this is a leader of the Congress party who contested Lok Sabha elections once from Varanasi and lost, and this is the same leader of the Congress party. Take a look at the kind of mockery, the way they try to demoralize our forces. A toy plane, pulled up with Rafale written on it. Hanging below it is, lemon and mirchi, trying to send out a message, trying to target the government. These are the kind of comments coming in from the opposition. Listen in.
अनुज जी, ये मैंने नहीं बांधा है। ये देश के रक्षा मंत्री ने, आपको ध्यान होगा कि जब राफेल हिंदुस्तान के पास आया, जब रक्षा मंत्री जी गए थे तो उन्होंने नींबू मिर्चा बांधा था और नींबू मिर्चा सरकार ने बांधा है। मैं तो वही बता रहा हूँ, को याद दिला रहा हूँ कि नींबू मिर्चे कब हटेंगे और ये राफेल अपना कब काम करेगा। ये देश की जनता जानना चाहती है। जो परिवार शहीद हुआ, उसकी पत्नी, उसके बच्चे, उसके माँ बाप जानना चाहते हैं। ये राफेल नींबू मिर्चा बांधने के लिए आया है या अपना काम करने के लिए, कि नींबू मिर्चा सरकार ने बांधकर राफेल को खड़ा किया हुआ।
Now, citing these statements made by Ajay Rai, the BJP is going hammer and tongs. The BJP is saying, why is there a race in the entire INDIA bloc to give ammunition at this point of time to the enemy? Let's listen into more reactions.
26/11 के बाद मनमोहन सिंह जी की सरकार ने कहां नींबू मिर्च बांधा था। ये वही पार्टी है जिसने मोस्ट फेवर्ड नेशन का स्टेटस पाकिस्तान को दे रखा था।
के बाद एक हर कांग्रेस नेता हमारी फोर्सेस को अपमानित कर रहा है, डीमोरलाइज कर रहा है या पाकिस्तान को कवर फायर दे रहा है। इसीलिए आज स्पष्ट हो चुका है कि इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस एक पाकिस्तानी कांग्रेस हो चुकी है, जो आसिफ मुनीर का एजेंडा चला रही है और आसिफ मुनीर का स्पोक्स पर्सन बन चुकी है।
My colleague Pradeep Datta is with us as we bring you the latest. And Pradeep, we've seen the comments that are coming in from the opposition. Yesterday, I think Congress leader Ajay Rai crossed every limit. That kind of mockery also being echoed, the same line, believe it or not, being taken by the defense minister of Pakistan. When will the ecosystem learn that at a time like this, the only need of the hour is national unity?
Yes, you're rightly said. This is not the time to keep your political interests there. You have to keep aside your political interests. National interests should have been more important to you. But unfortunately, that is not the case with some of the Congress leaders. And when they say Rafale is a toy, and I think this is a very obnoxious and a ridiculous statement coming from Ajay Rai's side. In fact, they are acting like toys playing into the hands of Pakistan, enemy country. who has already spilled blood of 26 people during the Pahalgam attack. Because when you give such kind of statement, you're not only mocking your brave hearts, you're not mocking and insulting your armed forces. You're not only politicizing their valor, but you're also mocking their Sanskriti. Because when Rafale first fighter plane was handed over to India, that was the time when Rajnath Singh had performed Shastra Puja. And that is the Sanskriti of our country, that we perform Shastra Puja whenever every Shastra is handed over to you. So that's what Rajnath Singh had done. And now you are saying that when the Rafale is to be used, I think they have forgotten, because this is the same Sabut gang they asked question after 2016 surgical strike also. They called it surgical strike. In 2019, when Indian Air Force was able to penetrate deep inside Pakistani territory, that time they started asking for Sabut. By giving such statement, they're only providing handle to Pakistan. And this is not the first statement. This has also come from Channi side also. He was asking for evidence just 2-3 days back, and finally there was a U-turn when he was reprimanded by party leader. Now the question arises, on one hand, you pass a resolution, you say that we stand with the government, we are with the forces.
Yes.
Now one fails to understand whether you are with the forces or whether you are with the Pakistan or acting as their spokesperson.
So there is, you know, Pradeep, there's also a term, kathni or karni mein farak. And we've seen resolution of the Congress party. Let's remind that to our viewers. This is a resolution which called for unity. After multiple shameful statements that was made, the Congress came out with a strong warning to its own leaders. But seems like there was only words and no action. And this inaction is only emboldening the others. Take a look at some more Congress leaders and other leaders who've made similar comments that became headlines in Pakistan.
सवाल इस बात का है कि जो लाल आंख दिखाने वाले प्रधानमंत्री हैं, जो 56 इंच सीना वाले प्रधानमंत्री जी हैं, क्या कदम उठा रहे हैं? आज 10 दिन बीत गया, सभी लोग इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
आज तक मैंने तो पता नहीं चला मुझे तो कहाँ स्ट्राइक हुए हैं, कहाँ बंदे मारे गए थे उस समय, कहाँ वहाँ पाकिस्तान में हुआ था, कुछ नहीं हुआ, कहीं नहीं दिखे सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक, किसी को नहीं पता चला।
ಈ ಕ್ರಮಗಳು ತಗೋಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ ಭದ್ರತಾ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನ ಬಿಗಿ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಪರ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾವು
is not the unresolved questions of partition reflected in the terrible tragedy that was enacted near Pahalgam.
बात क्या करते हैं तो उन्होंने हिंदू का पूछ कर मारा। अरे कोई टेररिस्ट को पूछने तक समय होता है क्या? उनके कान में जाके नजदीक जाके पूछेगा।
With folded hands I request both sides that they should keep their cool and something should be sorted. Whatever has to be done across the table.
Mohit, one after the other, leader after leader from the INDI bloc, be it in the Congress party or in the RJD, coming out with statements which is only helping the enemy's narrative against India. Is there a kind of strong message that the government wants to send out to this ecosystem at this point of time, which has become a huge headline in Pakistan?
Well, perhaps this is not the first time that this has happened from the Congress side, and every time the top leadership of the Congress party is being asked questions on the leaders making such comments which give ammunition to Pakistan to mock our country. And this time around, it seems Ajay Rai has crossed all the limits. Now, there's a way of expressing yourself if you are wanting an action by the Indian government, by the army against Pakistan. You have every right. But you are mocking Rafale, which is one of the best fighters in the world, and India is proud of Rafale. Rafale is ready for any war against Pakistan. But then you come out, you say that lemon and chilies are being hanging over there. You're trying to mock the faith also. And that is where the BJP says that the Congress party has been doing this for a long time. Congress have always demeaned our forces. Congress have demeaned the morale of our forces. And also they have given reference to the surgical strike when the Congress leaders came out and asked for the proof. And still that is continuing. But yes, this all gives ammunition to the Pakistan. We see that how Ajay Rai video are being picked up by the Pakistani propaganda channels, and they are kind of mocking Rafale and our armed forces. At this particular time, we all need to be together. We all need to be behind our armed forces, because Prime Minister has given
and
free
if you
hand to our
thought, you know, this was only about leaders of the Congress party, think again. Because the doubter gang is growing. This time it is an RJD leader who's come out in defense of Charanjit Singh Channi, and we've not forgotten what Charanjit Singh Channi said. Now the RJD says that Channi's word should be taken seriously. The larger political face-off is also escalating over the attempt to revive the Sabut narrative.
चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी बहुत गंभीर नेता हैं, कांग्रेस के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री भी पंजाब के रहे हैं। उनकी बात अगर कोई है तो गंभीरता से लेना होगा। और जिस तरीके से भारत की सरकार नपुंसकता दिखा रही है लड़ने से, अपराधियों को दंडित करने से, इससे तो अच्छी भली है कि वो इस्तीफा दें देश के प्रधानमंत्री और सरकार के बैठे हुए लोग। जब नहीं लड़ सकते दुश्मनों से तो कुर्सी पर बैठने का क्या मतलब हुआ?
Now you also know it is more leaders coming in from the opposition. You heard one RJD leader. Now listen to what Manoj Jha had to say. Manoj Jha too has stirred a fresh political storm and he's questioning the government over Pulwama attack. He says that had there been a report on Pulwama that the opposition sought back then, Pahalgam wouldn't have happened. Listen in.
हम तो आज तक सदन में पूछते रहे पुलवामा कैसे हुआ। अगर पुलवामा की रिपोर्ट आती तो पहलगाम नहीं होता। हमसे पूछोगे, अरे पूरा देश एक स्वर में बोल रहा है, पूरा देश एक स्वर में बोल रहा है, और आपका ट्विटर हैंडल क्या कर रहा है हम नहीं देख रहे हैं। मतलब किसी की बयान के चेरी पिकिंग करके उत्पात मचाने से कुछ हासिल नहीं होगा। देश एक स्वर में सोचता है। हमारी राजनीतिक भिन्नताएं हैं, लेकिन इन मुद्दों पर हम नो कॉम्प्रोमाइज सिचुएशन में रहते हैं।
The BJP says that opposition right now should not indulge in Pak Parasti. Stop demoralizing our forces is the message coming in from the BJP.
जिस प्रकार से कांग्रेस के सोशल मीडिया के हैंडल से सरतन से जुदा करने वाला पोस्टर छपा, किसी पर कार्रवाई नहीं हुई है। और अब ऑफिशियल प्रेस वार्ता में चन्नी जी, जो राहुल गांधी के सबसे खास माने जाते हैं, वो आकर कहते हैं सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हुआ, इसका प्रमाण कहाँ है? ये प्रूफ तो हम हमेशा मांगते रहते हैं। सेना ने अनाउंस किया था। मतलब आज जब पूरा देश ये मांग कर रहा है और सेना के साथ खड़ा है कि आतंकवादियों को कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिले, जैसे सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक हुआ था, बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक हुआ था, वैसे आतंकियों की जमीन को मिट्टी में मिलाया जाए, तो कांग्रेस पार्टी सेना के मनोबल पर चोट कर रही है।
With that, it's time for us to take a short commercial break. Viewers, stay with Times Now. After this break, we'll tell you why movies are on Donald Trump's target. Getting you that big breaking news update, taking a short break at this point of time.